You're a shower, Harry? 3, 2, 1. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to episode 239 of the Shower Podcast, the podcast where I'm in my shower and you do you. I'm your host, Chip, and today we continue our mini-series, Shower Stories, where we look at how some of the most brilliant ideas and turning points didn't come from boardrooms or meetings, but from everyday moments of quiet. Yesterday, we started with Archimedes in the bath, the original Eureka. Today, we're moving thousands of years forward to one of the most beloved and controversial storytellers of our time, J.K. Rowling. Rowling, as you know, is the author of the Harry Potter series, books that have sold over 500 million copies and shaped an entire generation. But what's less known is how many of the series' defining twists weren't dreamed up in an office surrounded by a stack of notes. They came when she was stuck in life's in-between spaces. The train, the shower. Those moments when your brain drifts. Before we start, as usual, if you end up liking this episode, remember that liking and subscribing really mean a lot for me. They're just one click, but they really, really make the difference. Thank you very much for considering it. Let's start with the story she's told many times. The train from Manchester to London in 1990. Delayed for hours, Rowling sat by the window, no pen in hand, nothing to distract her. And then, as she describes it, the idea for a boy who didn't know he was a wizard just fell into my head. By the time she finally reached King's Cross, the entire world of Hogwarts was already swirling in her mind. But the train was just the spark. The real refining of Harry Potter happened later, in an even more ordinary place, the shower. Rowling herself has admitted that the shower became her secluded sanctuary. With no distractions, she could untangle plot arcs, rethink character motivations, and even conceive some of the series' biggest twists, like the secrets of Professor Snape and how Horcruxes would hide in plain sight. She once described showers as a place where her imagination could roam free, where water and steam gave her the space to sort out the mess of ideas in her head. In fact, she's credited showers with helping her solve more than one seemingly impossible story knot. It wasn't the keyboard, it wasn't the desk, it was the rhythm of running water, as the one you're hearing in the background. So, when you put the two together, it makes sense. The train gave her the seed, but it was in countless showers afterwards that she watered it, pruned it, and let it grow into the full story we all know. From The Boy Under the Stairs, to the world of Diagonale, to the climatic battles, Steam and Solitude were silent co-authors of the saga. The lesson here is simple but powerful. Your best ideas often need two stages. First, they need to spark, like Rowling's train delay. But then, they need space to breathe and evolve, like her time in the shower. Creativity doesn't always happen just at the desk. Sometimes the shower can be the real office, or the setup for a podcast. So, here's my challenge for you today. Pay attention to your in-between moments. The commute, the shower, the walk, even cooking dinner. Instead of filling them with noise or distraction, let them inspire you how they did for the Rowling. Let them become incubators. You might not write the next Harry Potter, but you may just untangle the problem that's been frustrating you. Or find the start of something that could grow into your own version of magic. And that was today's shower story. From Archimedes running naked through Syracuse, to Rowling letting her imagination roam in showers and trains, one thing is clear. Brilliance doesn't come on command. It sneaks in when you make room for it. Tomorrow, we'll keep the literary streak going, but with a very different flavor. We'll dive into the quirky routines of Agatha Christie, who planned murders not in a study, but, well, you have to wait for tomorrow. Stay consistent, stay resilient. This was the Shower Podcast, and I see you tomorrow.